Here we are, 1051 Canary Lane, Memphis, Tennessee, 38109. This is a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath investment property right here in the heart of Memphis. Don't want to miss this deal. Let me show you around. I'm gonna walk the exterior first. Got some overgrown grass in the backyard. There's a ladder. Condenser still here. Right there is where the water heater's at. All right, let's go inside. The living room. Right here is where the HVAC is at. Come down to the kitchen. You got a dining room area. A den. Go over here and get the best angle of the space. Pretty huge space here. And go through the kitchen. Pretty old, dated, very used kitchen. Come down the hall. Got our first bedroom on the right. Second bedroom on the left. Third bedroom on the left. Full bath. Fourth bedroom on the right. And got our half bath. There we are, 1051 Canary Lane, Memphis, Tennessee. Excuse the coughing. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 1.5 bath, right here in the heart of Memphis. If you're interested in buying this property, give me a call today. It's 662-642-1458. Now let's get this thing sold.